Fears of extreme natural events can be difficult to understand for many people who do not experience such calamities. Given the wide spectrum of natural events, some caution and preparation may be needed to overcome them. In California, do you have water stored someplace in case there's a large earthquake? Almost everyone would agree there are two natural events which require education, planning, caution, and the ability to act in a moment's notice. These two natural events are hurricanes and tornadoes. No other type of storms have the energy of a tornado or a hurricane. No other class of storms have been studied as much as these storms and the damage they have caused. Clearly, they represent a threat to everything in their path. Not much is known about what events are key to the formation of a tornado. There is no scientific formula to predict when or where a tornado will appear or how severe the tornado will be. What is known is that a tornado can materialize quickly from a severe thunderstorm. However, the path, size, and intensity is unknown. 90% of these tornadoes are in the moderate to considerable damage done on the enhanced Fujita rating scale. Everyone can conclude that when there is a tornado, there will be some damage that will result from it. A hurricane, on the other hand, is larger and slower and can be tracked via satellite, so the location of a hurricane is almost always known. Again, a tornado results in localized destruction, and a hurricane results in wide area destruction. The winds from the strongest tornadoes far exceed the winds from the strongest hurricanes. Statistically, tornadoes cause about 1/10 as much damage per year on average as hurricanes. The reason, hurricanes tend to cause much more overall destruction than tornadoes because of their larger size, longer duration, and greater variety of ways to damage property. The destructive core in hurricanes can be tens of miles across, last many hours, and damage structures through storm surge, rain-caused flooding, as well as from wind. Tornadoes, in contrast, tend to be a few yards in diameter, last for minutes, and primarily cause damage from their extreme winds. Tornadoes cost about $316 million in damages, and hurricanes cost $22 billion in damages in 2017. Both killed about the same amount of people each year. A normal person would always be concerned when there's a tornado or hurricane warning and be constantly prepared to act quickly. People who do not live in areas where hurricanes and tornadoes exist must understand that the fear of hurricanes and tornadoes is real and a rational fear, given the extent of damage they can cause and the loss of life that has resulted from these storms. Because of the dangers of these storms, many people are preoccupied worrying about them. Any negative experience with one of these storms will be a lesson learned for life. If a person is experiencing extreme anxiety about such storms, then counseling or group therapy is available.